What's up, y'all? My name's Domzilla. My first actual YouTube video on my YouTube channel I've had for a long time, but this is a new thing that I'm trying to start with me showing my face. This could be fun, so I'm gonna try this out. Just a little bit about myself. I do 3D art, 3D animation, 2D art, 2D animation. I paint, I design, I do a lot of like behind the scenes stuff for other companies. I've worked with some brilliant people throughout my career. And now I'm back doing freelance and doing my own personal projects and my own fan base stuff. I see a lot of artists and creatives doing fan art of the characters from said cartoon shows or other cartoon shows. And I like to turn away from the characters and go towards the settings that made the show what it is. If it wasn't for these settings, the characters wouldn't have the type of material that they needed for the show to make it good. And now I want to try Powerpuff Girls Utonium house. I wanna build that. So I'm gonna go right into this here, and I found a little bit of the Powerpuff Girls home images. Now I'm a 90s kid, you know, by 89 I was the 90s raised me, and I really want to go for the original look of the Utonium home. Now I understand there is a lot of different renditions of it throughout the series, but I think I want to touch on this one. Of course, is the OG, so I think we're gonna go ahead and use this one for a cooler reference. With no further ado, let's go ahead and pull it up. Yeah, this is something that I've been working on. Don't mind this. Let's go ahead and open up a new file. Okay. Today I am going to use that cube for the benefits that it is. I'm going to scale everything up today though. So I just got the regular cube. Let me go ahead and put this on the X line and start on making another cube here. Size it down. Okay, I think I got a cool little start already. This is gonna be a quick finish. I'm not gonna lie to you. So I'm gonna open up a camera right now just to get angles right. Anyways, go ahead and lock that camera to view. And I think I'm gonna give it a little more focal. Machete after field. I really want it to be super exaggerated. So now that we got a little bit of blocking done, I'm gonna go ahead and throw a sphere in here to get that exaggerated growl. You know, I mean, I could do it easy with this perspective, but I'm just gonna go ahead and make it a little bit more simple for me. I think I'm gonna leave it at that right there. Okay. Now I'm about to start getting into details. Let's see what that looks like right now. Just no lighting. Okay. All right. Now's a good time to start lighting. Then I can build the rest. You know how that goes. You know how that goes. Okay. Cool. Oh, goodness. Whew. All right. So now there's another good place to save. And I think we're looking real good so far. All right. Let's see what that looked like a little bit. Pretty promising. Pretty good. Pretty good. So now I see I got the blue lines cutting through the box here, so I'm gonna have to change that up. I think the house is pretty much complete. Now I'm gonna start working on, say, let's see. We're gonna start working on the trees and the bushes, which is nothing really. I'm thinking of using like a translucent look, doing like a translucent look to it. No shining, like, of course, nothing like that. So, all right, let's get it. All right, let's see. So now I have to. I'm going to do the trees next.
Still with me? What's up, man? How y'all feeling? I said, how y'all feeling, man? Come on, man. What is it, Monday? Tuesday.
So the sun. Okay. And there we have it, folks. Oof. Oh, that looks good. Okay, so one last thing that I really want to do is capture the. If I'm not mistaken, I think that's a 6x3. Anyways, don't get me started on that neither. So I'm going to start by. I really don't like the sidewalk, but hey, I did everything else good. So, well, let me go ahead and render this out so everyone can get a good look, including myself. Let's go ahead and do this. Let's save that one time, and then, all right, we are looking good here. And I think this is going to conclude my video today. I want to say thank you, so much to everyone that checked this out. If anyone checked it out, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to my page. I'm looking forward to hearing your opinions and your feedback on this piece. Just really quick, primitive piece. Anyone can do it. You don't have to follow my steps. I did a lot of improvisation here. So, yeah, thank you guys for tuning in, and be on the lookout for more videos coming soon. I hope this is really fun, and I'm looking forward to doing more of these. So, yeah, you guys have a good day. Peace.